ya Jimmy no Ghana no yesu so nyimi na me wuye na we tie fo na be e be sabati o sa so bona meta bi nim so wo he emwa mo ya tetem ana mo ye nyan ana ya wo se be amfa maase Majimi, I am telling the gospel truth. You know, I'm matured. I'm limited. My senses always work. A man is saying, and a little bit trouble. Let us say, you are going to many mama. You see, it's when you're on you because the American, but don't papa Timothy. So you give for. Let me know additional for more. We are in Jimmy. Megasa du so bi sofo but abrabokura wogo salifian kan wajimi san le wadi funi bio ni amati e meni anwa ni meni ate afia ni me ko so won kom a kire o anjina mo ko nipa ko ni wo ye wo mo transfer no mo social media no mo tini tu say kom se na abete panyi bi yare pantem pa no maye no man bag de tino o mi be ye no mo ya to ho se nye chimia na popo hu se Isakia ya no bi wu osoma odifo Isaiah so onko ne nchai Isaiah chapter 38 verse 1 to 5 Isaiah just went to his house and presented the message they could have even confronted the vice president the Benin answer the type of videos be obi so fanu with you for one one did that part and man reverend is not about nyamisha o afi no waso ma kan na yejuma
Mami hododo ne kakra okofie mu ewa abrochime mu baye wetime ne waka me bebre ewa omayi mu na eba ne se ensem dodo na ekoso no ebinum ebebo na ewuto ene ye mami aba ama ejiremu a ya ma ne 3 weeks off ewa ye adwuma wo ye mu na afenso ebinum so resign ebi so chopese o retire kra e di free se adwuma die nyina mu ensem we ene ye bebo awuremu aha yetu ya bomode na subscribe like na share video no fama me e ma renfi so be bobbe so se be upload bi atoma won sabe to me aka bi anadwe mensaka prophet Dr. Lawyer Nana Eric Akwesi amponsa e wo menchen wo ha ka me ho ene me fa ye nkomo no enhyehyɛ so odifo ye mo akwa ba de batu ma GH so
ya de na
computer man
eno se me ha ho bebere de yo Eric Nakusi amponsa na as a computer man so addition amusuan de that is what me nyene so e na bibi na wana Nakusi amponsa computer asa na pa do ba ya ba ba simple eduma no ko no so amusuan so e yankwa
odifo ensam do na ekoso ewo ye man yi mu na kamia ye se ye ma mensam yi ba ye na ye ntimi enya wo ma wani afa ni aba ye pese e beji wano nsem wa ekoso no edi kan de na obeka de afa ho
onye ma madase ibani se ri jawa na de aso yiwu mu ye ba ko pe ye se edi ka ye ma no yesre ayarepa ene ho sanepa e de ma no na me kan fo bibiri enim sania o mai amanyo sem esitie. When you talk of politics, it's not about depending on a certain political party. So we be a vice president and a president here. When you emma amanyukunku, when you father for all. Dear mama vice president or your mother for all. The constitution run say so we shall gun her. Listen, the children so you will be the so Benno. So you better know the hospital over day. And come upon me, I'm chile. Since we are Queen, a co-president and a vice president anymore. And a son call your man. And some Racron also say, I say to my boss, uncle, free a whole by. I'm a money my to be a team uncle money after going to say, pay or to say, your vice. The second lady, second personality in Ghana or of the land there. It is a vice president. Yes, I will say the first female vice president in Ghana in the history of Ghanaian politics. Nana Ajama. Although he said she's more than 70 years, heading towards 73, 75 thereof. He said, "Then I may say, what income? The Bible born a wuto. Now, so you know, if you could say, you nipa who do soon and son, nipa wa, pine any nipa. Then you really pay. Your doors are the announcement, pine nipa one dozen more or Ghana. My money, the Bible born a wuto. I mean, I said, yes, my man call home now, Kenyan Santi. If you say, what in Belgium, if you so I resign, if you so call retirement. Ghana, nade. Nti yenyan sa wo hene fa. Nipa kura wo yare ya. Me. Hweba dwuma mi te se omodie no. Ninya daje. Mo de ona ye. If you hasi, it could be 10 solid days. Eba be due. We play land the emphasis about 2 hours. And I'm going to buy. I didn't hear. Poor Casim Babu was saying so my ancient. The Sumama Yen Kuma Timothy Bass or Mamma Boy. And how a man Yapomudino or my idea. There's a boy also critical. And one said the Pam every dinner was so bunty. The entire ma aspect, Doctor Sandy Brinko General Bia. Who do a man you could be whom the dear room to Quanasero. Woman you could be Nipanaco. Inimara, if you are in who could to Mrs. Hannah and the Cofan St. P. Because you're Ghana. And the engineer no did Koda. Doctor, you be command, you be anyway, and then or the chef from a young crier. Yes, in the part engine. Never fancy. You see, your mamma is walk up. You is a wapa. If it's a wapa, let him your cover up. Say you didn't have a shed. No, we're national assets. Until we be and say you okay. Sana man some any amount. We took by your thing, vice president Oyare. We took by your own to be dry. The Bema of man in your say. You don't say if you play Musi and our press statement, Baba. What do you do? Situation the Boko should be as I say. Secretary to Obama Sibia, also on the personal spokesperson. Also, back to that. Yantil, bro, Yantil say, it is a couple of years old woman. Now, can you say? Crat Abbott said, but they are resigning. Now, I need to make cat. Sorry, a pen temple. And she will fancy. In Ababusa, sanity.
Come here, so could you tell Black One as a press conference? No, yes, they say no. Or my room, so your man, you know, we are here, hey, Annie, the show. And until I Ghana for being my shas, like a cassa and seven near my yet to find Ghana, hey, what doctor for papa or more has said. Say a bundle a year a man, you so many idea, it will maybe. I was here trying and now so yen sim be home. And as a sign that there be a America tuna near the Beshamra.
But as a pa, let's say I'm on the floor. I can say, Sabah with 3. I'm not looking for a buy more. Was said in some can you buy is it here? Also a bar. Was said in some can you buy it here. But the same day, I can say, my man is somewhat by a professor until meaning ceremony something here. Now, yeah, Mamma by a vice president. Or your among you. Or your Magana for me, and how you farm your son and men will be a portrait baby. I can't send people. And I'm so too quite common in Intino. Minister for Foreign Affairs. As I said in Numuha or my tinker, what an information ever man. Secretary to President. Also the outcome about Sana and Brown at here. And she said, dear, here. Until the Macan said, Sir, you may be not baby. I cannot be kind answer so boa. Nah, baby, Lipa was some books out of them. and we come to my video number 12. And I said, we're going to doctor need. No, I'm a cool beam and so on. What the information from other political parties be a vice president for I'm not a doctor or something. It's a bassa, it depends to quite neutral grounds. I can't know. Say, Nippon call. Now, a bassa foreign affairs minister. Number 2, the information I country in terms of this also be a vice president or her basic until sequence. Kind of a funny plenum, the Bubefa hospital to say, I know but that foreign affairs minister being no number 2 president and the president is on term. I know dear be a fair council of state. No more there 20 minutes be our fair top hierarchy a war in papa mountain or machine be a so. No say about very urgent. Nobody know a call you. The master said, Miss Mamma, I could say you know, 1 year. Oh, my yank can sing be a sing. Then Pampa on time, Malachi. Now, or call or resign here. Some mamma better resign. But that's the Bible. Me is a very possible. If you say so, back to the position, few or three. I call a probo. Me if I something in Quas or Quapo Bar, it me for 4 days and couldn't be there. So, be any say. What's a corner constituency to constituency and come to say, and now go. Nobody bears a 1 month. Now, campus Ghana. These people take about 8 years. And I'm going to call one more journey. Now, the victory has become yes. I think they are in the 4th month, but someone. They are really to me back. Ghana when you say sickness can come at any time. You know what's the interview? Mama Mowa. Is it will be a tram me and corporate can be seen and say. I can die. Anybody at all can die. I can fall sick. Eh, vice versa. You must listen. Yeah, to me, no, Ghana, no. You to see me. Mammy, yeah. Now we cheer for me, we have because I bet you, so, when I met a woman, so. Hey, and we at the table. And I'm willing, and I am almost a plan for Marcy. What do you mean? Oh, Papa. Sir, Mamma, you know, and I see you say, oh, my children, son. A year, a triple face, if young doctors, now more, sir, 2 million, which my castle. You know, your counsel.
But if we didn't so chira stroke and a boy mammy, as I say, what do you na sans some now or moke canning in an say, mammy hotono. Minu the name some mammy who is were and Camedia houses singing about one thing about the caneso. I have bloggers be neck like a cassans and some no. Mammy to me free mufi na nem quaban some nanny be a kama. Or bet me the south one of a family quines one, and I know dear, and Maho quinesa. I am on some about cheesy nipper. You are the man, Mamma, I am looking for. Say, yet to a man in Vienna. Someone may do a man more minor. So be I can do Dumbako. You may be any so man Bako. Looking at you, some door or bonning in a vijay. I'm on your full years, over the Amay. Or how does he be born so? Now, for the woman, national security to be a youth opportunity. Yes, in more eyes, I see a chill. And tell me the rest from court. You know, attorney general. Attorney general is also state attorneys. Oh, really, be a district, be a review. The woman should be. Yes, as so, and I be the and so on. I don't know. I buy back and a day to my show was a woman. It was a Bible. I get a family baby out here on a dampado. Dampado so by me. The table can turn at any time. We have vice president here. Never council. Now I will see you. Expect Donald Trump. American. America, a chip, who will see you. Maybe a gun of being about.
One state to go out to Ghana, then wonderful. They can't want if I got to be some question, cousin to 2 over Japan. I was having a cousin, we are cassetting to my coach. Maybe before. It's a buyer 2 months on the moon, where you're not meant to put you.
Oh, okay.
Now that's when. Oh, yeah, individual a big keke. The same machine timber baby. I mean, your man, dear. There is many of them. And it is we come once and bonny. I'm a pa. They had threats and no more beautiful about my report.
Okay.
The only gas here, the Panama Gamma campaign, the cohorts, machine for defamation. Now, over there, Vice President, you'll be seeing one. And I go on and come at them. Yeah, but if we say, we are national asset. People would in the discussion to me. We become once and bonny. If you don't know what time, you are Nasa. The senior sent cow won't want to know for Tammy and the Jow. We'll go over see you. She can't be soon come. Now, Oklahoma, there's a guy.
That is so deep for only Omobaya General and Sambia Womo Council, San as a saber. I no pay presenters a good one about Bontia because I am may your money 3 weeks off, say on court now on Jena home. Ghana phobia and TSS, I didn't in a barn size, I don't want to kind of say. So on your idea, yet they and your money are leaving.
Oh, Papa. Ghana for me, yeah, more years and 20 money, even on TSS. Even sure me. Then Professor Mammy, President is about Bonton. It got circulated to all the platforms, so to have some on my phone. We are all aware, say. The Vice President is not feeling well. For that one, there is there. And the telling is now, God has been solidly behind her. But that's what yes. But the first question that should be answered is, how did this statement come out? And I really you. Do you have people at the presidency only leaking information, Sana? Because the first person to break this thing out, the spokesperson to President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and no press release is out. So how come did the other media houses get to know, say, your Mama military was off? It doesn't sound well. If you are in a state where security apparatus are working, and they will sit down for information concerning the top hierarchies in this country, come out there, then we have a long way to go. I am telling the gospel truth. You know, I'm matured, I'm limited, my senses always work. A man is saying, and it will be troubled. Not to say, you are going to money, Mama, the secret when you're on your move. Because the American, but don't Papa they are giving us some tools for now. I feel presidency. True. Either the spokesperson to the Vice President or the spokesperson to the President himself. And none of them has come out with any update on the Vice President's illness. Let's say it has escalated to different media houses. Let's say the news is published. Yeah. Let's just say
was here very anxious. Papa Yanshan is saying, a bit of much you more. I am a yari. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, and so my son said, come here, so one dear, or bad party be an answer or Bobia, or Nippon and a baby and a Wabasam, and until Mammy retired. No resigning or free Mukrana, John Dramani Mahama, and so Sanson will be fancy.
Who has the evidence or the evidences? This is the political talk. Vanessa. As will be a unity. They will say, you are going to Samuels. He rather appointed John Dramani Mahama as his running mate. The man being a to me, no be a vice president. Let's track getting to 3 years. And will be a one so yari. We will resemblance when you not the food. Wonderful. And I ever the money, Mamma. I appointed on a man of my council may president. And watch it. The South appointed a Miss Arthur. And Miss Arthur also no more to train away, no, no pointed. Obey. I'm not them. My baby to me. I'm a omode. And I'm a omode, you can't say. Or my own woman. Yeah, oh. But we don't say what the mamma or soon, Name. Make us a man this because I'm a young from Soa. Can't make cowboy. Yes, I came to. Because I always throw my bomb at the writer. But I'm speaking my mind. Every intelligence I'm ready to form. Say it here. See, if I can say Papa, this is it. We won't leap. We are the Jacob Bompire. Oh, Papa, so can I say? No one can have a bonfire, say Papa, I hear bet you no money. I mean, what are you? The vice president to swing and quack. I bet not say. You can't bonfire. Say, you will join Javan Mama Ura. Say, you're gone. If somebody can for you to the man. You come to the drama. You to be your president. You come to a man's answer, sir. Saying a mission beating you. You know, our babu is a gay castle. As I was no scientist. Say, Prophet who's been passed out, can ya? There's nothing wrong with that. Let me say, and a babu, dear man, a babu boy. But it is premature for people to just judge it. Say, we are doing Mama. Where I know about him, sir, he's a devoted Christian. Of course, and so called.
John Dramani.
Yeah, or soon. Me NDC party, but me pay John Mamas.
Na a better day now to make us our own party, name only poor dear party, and him the open.
Me, at first, I was NDC member. No problem. Savannah, young papa, Lawrence. Mamma and I are sent to regional women's organizer.
Edema Rollins. Okay.
Let's have them. I think not a tabas. I was so. I'm watching the bus about the very Usa. Never run Saba. They are covered for the people in Crasiaba. And a bus in the bus in Capital Company. And ma, you call Kuma. Through this crocodile G.
Ewa.
It did not reply. Some of them are quite what 31st women's organ movement alone. No, Mamma Dano. And my papa is one man fiancé. And this is young about NPP.
Only for science, some no, I am not the beer. A soft one big canoe. I am not the canny can. So, therefore, say, some year when it's an NDC party. First, I want to watch it. First, and check. But we are in a yam show. Until a man free more. Now, so we are in a say party now, man, and we be our expertise, ma. So, would draw now a devoted to a dear now also not mean business say, be said because I know one of can same way. So, for being so about and Tim will also be kind the same thing. Say a chair, no. When you pay an ocean and him when you Panama, I managed the 1 year and there were 3 party, no different party. A boss son as I saw for no. Yes, she was young, and you know, and yet, Quahabra, and I am. We are maybe a question, wrong episode. Then I will carry with you. Yeah, 1 more. And no one have a country. What if was no, your bread can say no, your private. When your politics na this is a private life na make am once. I'm a cool room. Na among you cool would my mayor, no cool. You be as you are my family. No more to them. This is so to an amount here. I reckon some rooms of one. It is a papa, people was no so yare, no more no Gina so cassame, yare, your mamma, shame. Me see a sorry, them heavy, my oils of a penny. Oh, funny say. Oh, or if I want to meet young can say on your say, most all the number 1 throw at it. You be not here, so I remember the free from my soul by, and you will hear the tin can walk.
After that person kakaka measure as you know na me members obi a ni members o dey hwe nwuma wo tete na akọ ni pa do so na se me ntimi amesra wakọ
enti se ne papa wo die so se de
na ye na wo ni se mu mu a na me ye party na djuma
okay
business na at that time any bi ni you one of the organizers na ye na so no asante ni wo so Canada na card yakobo Jenga bitumika. Yes, and can do some of the first. We are not giving a man to. Sir, confess me, Jim. This year, 59 years, 5 December.
Right.
So, we don't call it. We call it a doctor to me. Eh, I wish you had been working at Marty. You see that point? Did you not come and say? Me, pay NDC party, but me pay. They were doing many members. They know that's what somebody pay. You see me English. Huh?
Professor.
She was my lecturer. You know, when they make it up. Yeah, we are going to Mama. And so be as I said, some questions. Oh, I sign it to me back. You know, you could. You have to habituate to a car and somebody. And that guy took care of me. What are Kubunika? Yes, we are a car now. We should not own pay. Yes, some for from us. Probably could do 3 of the Kubunika. Come and send your Kubunika. That's not serious. I didn't know could be sounds at the sun in the air. I'm a corner. No corner, but you say. I never know. We probably a shame be a person who you must say, I didn't be from man. No, we are continuing to you. And the be a many people in our party anymore. On ye. And I have been a non said, they didn't be a saber cat. You are with the money, mamma. To be a function.
I know this was a bonus idea. Why ye a dear for near so far Camudi and you will be mono. And can pie book bit me a costo, a conche bit me a costo, not say any power more son, and can you meet me a poem home to ma? It's as I come here, they say, oh, yeah, my gun, the binnum say, ya were under demonic attack be, and till I'm more mining to me, and 2 pounds at ye pennon.
I say, I got them, mamma, by a first of home premium. We don't home pie.
Na ya then still na eguso ekoso
some pay no mo bom ya be bi wa mo bo efa won so mo bambo beba ndo na be to gam the next meeting president beba no bo mo ya bom paye ya kosa what you say ya so betete fi ya mo bom paye e de abobo
na sanka ya na ya to nsa ya fere mu nyina na papa bia na asofo ni bi e hye nkom no na dodo na e ka ne senka asofo de bisa mu hu a enka ya kokoa mu nsem na president mu vice president na ya be gina bonti hu se maame ya wu ye hu se maame no aye sei odi fo hu ne se na kwan bi so no en hye da ntwa yie sa
ana mi we mention tabe e ya adwene was a cocoa and crammer be up on your canopy. This school, there many families was a prophet. I hate this all year. You will cocoa chaka for Cocochaka, make a cocoa summer. But the temtem, the money Jesus here as of war. Ah, no, so you give for. Let me know additional for more. We are in Jimmy. Megasa you show me so for. But Abrabokra Obo, Sadifian come watching. What did you mean, Jessica? I will class it. What in what's now the action of Obama here? That was near differentism. And we say, Jimmy, I flew into my shot idea. What do you show them what to Mofuka? Only and then listen to you, and so sure I trying to say. What do you say? Some I will Jimmy, I should not tell you. Some what do you do? We are material, many at your snaggy. Because you won't come actually. I'm going to Let me ye, celebrity prophets, ye national asset maybe. The Jerusalem could be housewife. Why am I going to book appointment? It's just a matter of security for an scanning who said, you have to be BBA. Then I'll go to any office except president. Maybe a maid booking and as a vice, but some no be here. Because Okra Obano,
Yahoo
that security foreign funds or young people in DC. They welcome you because we're man. You see, police form a service with integrity. So therefore, we are the man who buy. So be a suffer. Not in the grab until Marshall comes to my neighborhood. Herod the bar near from Herodia. Was you on pitch the beer say, open your vanity. You try it. Herod Jemmy, you try it. And it was it's in opinion. Was a woman people. It was shall come, surprise being no as some come, Manoda Sumaso. I'm a bay and Yari. Nasabeno, young mammy Yari, no, my babble. Me cash and come so good away. One more transfer, no more social media, no continue to say, come to say now, but when you be a repentant, no, my no man bad, no, only remember, no, yato.
Now, the for the one can say a bunny say I saw follow Cassa, now almost shell comma, cabby, a bunny say, what dear no. Who are not a one, our own person will be a year prophecies, no one says.
Gama, a beautiful Nara. It is a computer machine compare. Intimate from my tell you for. What we are suffering after is after me. Mamma, sorry, what will you do? Suffer over me, Piara, who the real bizarre suffering. It was near them. You come here, suffer with them and more so one commission with Pagan, a prophet together.
They stay here.
Man comes here. Everything from computer man. Maybe a sharp poker deep. Yeah, could be. Feel you never did. I am a fast message to Kuro. Ay, computer man.
And to a papa, son, they are now what Bob wanting. Cause he himself wants to the politics, no do more than a pan. And to boss and Uncle Becca. They be a bit to me, I, Juma be out to a trap. As I said, we told her a dog.
Say, Nancy Mia. Now, who say it's a key, I don't know. Or smart to give for Isaiah, so uncle and child. Isaiah chapter 38, verse 1 to 5. Isaiah just went to his house and presented the message. What did you want to? Oh, I'm coming. They could have even confronted the vice president because His Excellency the President have been having some engagement with
pastors,
the clergy. You think any difficult something if I see something, tell Sofusukwati, I know his number. And this is sister. When you go to all presidents who I know their numbers. It's a matter of calling. I want to meet the vice president or the president. I've seen something, or I've seen this, or I've seen that. The book is one. They will do it. I'm commonly budget. Yeah, those are open. As matter I confront that person. Then comes a fan home. The man said, the person will not fail in cheat. You might be job on telling. And then we say, you didn't know. You can make Michelle compare. But maybe you need come home. Michelle come on. Nyansa.
Okay. Orifo, say no Ghana for the duana amaye huni say e ba ne say Ghana sesia na sunsun boni bia betena yeso. Ebinom hu ne say enema nkitinkiti bi ekokọ so e wo party ni mu menam so menei e kame say nyame eyi ni nsa fi o man Ghana so anu no a demon so pa na ba beteki over Ghana. Sansa me ni kwa betumi a wo musa.
Free, demon so free.
Yeah, Busia be a mensa woman to be an no more kind of water.
Demons will be serious, every day so.
Yeah, that demonic attack. Sana, yeah.
Sir, that's why I Ghana will be at the medium so. Who will do also? A rubber shoe. I reckon I listen. I let me show film. Some may be at it. A demonic attack. If you better the Bible say. When they tell me, I'm tempted.
For this, for one is
not so panel. The Benimans, the type of videos be. Or be so family with you for. Or no one did that pattern, man. Never is not a Benamisha. I feel was my kind of age. se di mo be di eso e be di sa so fokro mu nyi no wo se eso mponchi from what evil yet to man and from a fukra tumi omo ye chiriya na ya he yento bibia that's the power given to them they were omayimu a Christ of war a pagan sa Archbishop Duncan Williams and the rest of the pastors of the clergy when you not come so kasa nyamiti nyamitwa mi bi kire the demons no ebesi fa here on the play by on fi form na tache so na mo bloggers mo na mama san kwase afu kwai afafanto bia na mo yin interview bloggers mo wagan mo mo be mo so wajimi mo ba yin interview nyansafo afafanto bia na mo bloggers mo ko yin interview
no dey for that demonic attack nti nyame ntwa nkere wo say Ghana is under demonic attack bia
demonic attack yes we are say yin soro esuo be yira fine
eno de ensuo de yifa binom
na ko wajimi na akotena wora ho a ba bi ensuo kwada ni aton asase so de fa na wo pa esuo no mfa hene o mo wura wutun e wo de mo
odi for ebe say ya na nsem ni bi wo no ma
oh maame obi en me me computer man bi kurase ni owo to kurase so me tembe fra won to made a twaja umno mana mo ko wajaja nshi mo fa kan ko dem ki kan sam fun fan kire me kura mo bloggers won say me twabo mo de wo dan ya sem me say bloggers am hwe me Ghana ha wo bi bebre su jimi le wo bebre afem ne pana makọ no am yin interview no mo say ne mo nyedu so mo keka na mo mo a e betum de asan kwa bloggers nyina se demonic yi na aba ni pana be fan say sunsun sem te yanche no but ye wura dwodama ne mama otutu no ma bi yi no ma speaker of parliament parliamentarians na so nte se sebu ya so fi bi kemo wa na be threat am o man Ghana is under demonic attack e wo fa hene e na me computer me mu na di fo bi hu ni
enti na me pesa me kire se de wo hya nkom kwa achi na nyame no wo kasa no sa de we ya wonte ye ne ha me kakra enti na me bisa wo
yenti ya mu su me kan se enye no kura da ebisu ntimi si Ghana hada demonic attack
na je se Ghana ye yie die mu ana ye nam no ne ma be ko yie
o man bay wo gold se ye hwe boys ye tu galamse ni mu tu gold papa no yo mu ekwa concession ya bibia ye no ko gold a na wo twe mu yifra asase ibi galamse ye sukwa gold we bitimi yiye ko to kakra se me baade wo bi na wo twe otimi gold babu we ma nti eno me be na wo ye so bi ani e be yense e maburu be nya adwuma papa ye be adwuma na wo nya galamse no eye na me nso de ni ate ana wo ni be kwa na ye be da gweti no ma bi am wo mu ko so manya ro manya sika ntum timi nya sika so na timi akọ ye hospitals nya ye wo schools ye wo clergy no top hierarchies wo mu ye Muslim fo a wo so ko monim nya me adom ye Ghana ye kuro ye fe ahoto wo mu adadifo bebe timi ba ọma ya bibi si ya na president adu one term na amanyoku a wodi wonyina adu one term ahemfo du ho ye wa ahemfo kasipa wotumfo ene nketo a hye na ase kokko akosi do ma hene no asefo nyina atobo ha ye po ne padi ọma bi won ka bete ne atutuo tete Ghana bi ni hasa eti under demonic attack ne awosofo ne adifo no omo maame etirim ana omo hwinim ana asofo na moto
odi for ebre nyanko bia sa na so asofo ya asese no bibia na yesi clergy wo mo asa be kan se 2028 oni pa wo bedi akonya no nyame san de aba na ebetumi aba se ye nyancha afini mu kura nyame betumi akasa asem no ana
on so bone ye ma pon se electoral commissioner ni to aba oni two deputies no omukwa na timi bobo echewe na emna pon se ye beto aba yenye campaign e wa manyoku bia na ebeyi no obedi enimo empre abanya enfamra oni po obegina na ye obi a wonya mfie aduanan a na dwene motie ana wo moda yare bone bia ni so nya no chi Ghana fo nko di laso nko salai nya nche ya dwene emfa ekokro motie Ghana ni bia anto aba baako onto mana mo so enye wiewia bonu num ekona yen declare winner eye and the letter commission adwuma na say eko
asofo
ama e de koma asofo ye wa jonda man ma we ni wi ho asofo ba bonje wo se me me bufu because if you are not to abapra man this how you know and obi to my how you know say nyanso so boni no a ebe te say amanyokuofo no amanyoku ahodi no ye be dwom sika di na de suro de hu beto won so ye mamra na mapansa asofo ye play major roles to say ahemfo but ahemfo no are bound to do the active politics sai be say asofo so ye dey regulatory eyi no to ye so but the Christian Council of Ghana now we don't have any regulatory system nti anomane achechide bi akonya kan bi ba ko a wo se ma hira ifro na ye gazette asore no well ye register me no ka say register general department fefe mu a ka bo mu check say register so for be pretty they don't have lances mo juma wo sa no ma ya secretary system bi wo ha nka sa we ne beba nyina nka sa ntini nya juma
Ntodi for IGP a wo free so eye Akufo Dampare ana wono no wo ye sofo na ma omofia prophecy bi ani abeso mu no e bra wa free mu a wo kwe wo gidi se ye wura ye honu so e de ba mu e betimi aboa na
ade e da ho nya so de ba mu a sa mra nda ho dadaada se woni kwan se wo hye nkom bi a edi hu ni suro e betini pepiso for instance se wo ye sofo na wodom wo so na se nyansa ni mu a wo ye kwasia for instance bi a wonyem oba menche ko no hu so be wu a wonyem no de kwa se me ka so be wu hello nyame ba e wade bejo attacks bi a mo de be bia no e wade betwe ye pon abra edu ha de wona be no aka gu na so se ne ye hu ne twi ye nka wo pemfo ne ko se le kwa ti mi de suro eto no so enti ne ye tete ye hu no madam fo pa onyame asem no so ka so wache ye mesre no se sia ya me ka sai wo ene se me se nada o ma mra emu wodin no enya adwuma e fa nkom hye bi ho sa hweye ne nkom hye bedu mebi no obi be ka se nyame aka kire me odifu se ye wa joda me ma mfi na komnya so na me nkotena so na me tratu ya yemfa wo so be vice
ebetumi ayeju
ebetumi ase ni ejeja ebe ya obi no so wo kire the ono abeye 2028 ai ya ko duro ni enti ye ko asore du kwasi ada ya na platform na so no bible quotation ni wa de be man so de man say yesu be wu ye eje ye mbone ye fa bone nche yenye sei ye mpre heaven ye hu wu akiri kwai ye hu sei sitie ne atwe ho firi ho ya hiesie ho amada achi atemu nti sa de obi ni wo na da bia we na bawe ne na ya manfo de ni akwa akobo sa nkofo ya baso mo titi scam wo na ye nyansafo ya te ya de yanka bi mo fa scam wo
to de for won kan
na jase mo ni asha mo nkom we na bawe ni we na beso na jase mo sika no mo de abaye sa mate ya da mase ya beti esi se ho se busuro wo yi na mo pedi mbodi die
so be sha se
me me ko da na ya so for nketo wa
na wo bo mechido
me de he na mo wa try the letter form ira be so kenka wi a ma twa sika betua na baba
what if for mesre so do achi akwa betu dwa na do number so aka ho
Jimmy for Ghana oh titu ni asofo no ai die Ghana akoduro ni papa ba konwa so and this ba konwa so nya for 5 months ya she ase ayi yo ba 2028 ya wurate no memu bambofo ti wa opofo yi na mo so mu bi ya mo de mo ko social media na ma ya na ya mo de na mo amasa afa kira ko nyamni pa ma be mo nye bibi mama na sika mo mo pa fa mo yere mo ma no ma ye no ma hu no ma jedi mo to ka asa kase na mo so ye mo de na no police ni bi ha kola ke to prophet bi be za ko le wo twa yi ka je se yakopo so na fo ruru lo se police atale o ni da fo ruru social media o sorry o se ka se ame so ame was a fan support to me and so they're born to pack. Was in Yamaso, you would have flew so. Ha! Tinyankopon bagi position ya. Me ba jopin me wa kra we ga change. Me number is 0244 57 1050 0244 57 1050. Say Ghana Police Service and the Parliament. Man so ye nyina na ma me ma ye dia. Mo ho wan da the Parliament house wo no. Enya so for be ba wa ba shankom. Won say be go bi sika was in your mouth for the sick. I end up war. I come over castle. Why? You're 5 years. One year that we speak of Parliament to Allo, we are Keleba, Antolo, before Benina make us say, Yamiasaman said, me, because we speak of Parliament if I'm going to Kuyan. Namus of Makana, Monconaba for Mark and give an Indian and may. I do. I'm quiet.
I will say 4. Yado bi biase ha na ye de enkomo no esie Prophet Computer Man ene ene ne twe enkomo yi ebre mu ne number na da ase no enkomo bi apese oneni dia kwanya ne wo so obefre no enkomo ekọ so e dia wonti ase bia so comment section ase obetimi dia to honom ama bibia aye kama too much ehsunie afei no ahia me a mesero so be subscribe dia meje so eye dwa so hema ye be se